Hi everybody, I'm AJ.
And I'm Quinn.
And together we are Milk and
Egg Roll.
And in today we're going to be teaching the introduction to how to get a Hello World application on Netbeans. So right now I have just opened up Netbeans and I'm going to create a project. Sounds good, Quinn?
Oh, I can't wait.
Okay, so I'm going to right click the white pane over here where my cursor is, and I'm going to click New Project. And I'm going to always make sure to select C/C++ application, and then click Next. And then I can name it anything I want. I'll call this CPP application 3. That is the default it's giving me. And I'll click Finish. And after waiting a little while, then this file is auto-generated for me for places of header files, resource files, and source files. If you don't know what you need header and resource files for, don't worry about it. All we're concerned about is the source file and the main.cpp file. This is where you run your main function, which is required for every C++ application. But before we do anything here, what we're going to do is I'm going to right-click CPP application, go to Properties. A lot of you guys forget this when you make a new project. You have to do this every time you make a new project. You click Properties, you go to Run, and then you see External Type. You always want console type here, to be external terminal, not internal or console output. You can click Apply and click OK. And so now I have this default function for me right here. And right now up here I've got the Build button and the play button. I can just click Run and it will build the program, and it will build and run the program for me. Now AJ, what's building versus running it? Well, you can kind of think of it as you want to before you run something, it has to be turned into an executable file. If you ever seen something like run.exe, that's an executable file. So building it turns into an executable file which you can then run. So I'll click Play, which will do both of those things for me, and hopefully a black screen will appear.
This is so cool.
Thanks. And sorry, let me drag this terminal over here, and we have our first program. Nothing is printed out, but that is our terminal. And that is what an external terminal is. It's a terminal outside of Netbeans. So I can click Enter to close the terminal. My program is still running, and I just exit out my program.
Oh, great. Now that we're done, you want to get some milk and egg rolls?
Sounds good. See you guys later.
Oh, can't wait.